1st of September 2022. You can press the call button this time. We have Taivaanvuohentie, Pääkaupunkiseudun 5. So take a seat here. It's in Lauttasaari, Helsinki, Finland. You can watch this Texas A&B here. They're still not bad. Also, this with the capacity of 2 persons of 160 grams, so they are all tiny. Originally built in 1955, Kone, then before fixtures, raised by Hissikeskus, but with evergreen kind of generic. And last year, 2021, with 5 floors. But also, this would have been interesting to film before that.
Yeah.
The number is 6239, and only this old metal plate is gone. Should have been preserved here. Only this one is still preserved.
Yeah.
Same information is found here. It will be inspected in the next year, 2023. It still deserves 2 rights. Because this is also not.
Yeah.
The other disadvantage here is that they forgot to put it in Swedish and Finnish here.
Yeah.
Why is it not starting? Oh, the gate was not closed properly. That was the sensor.
Yeah. Niissä tiippaakin vain, että menen eteenpäin Pääkaupunkiseudun Hissikeskus.
Yes. We need to turn the lights, but good, thank you. I'll press the down from first floor button.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. I watched this Texas A&B.
That's